Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to assign tasks to team members. First, open Monday.com and head to your home view. Make sure you're signed in and have access to the workspace where your projects live. From home, find and open your project board. I'll use a sample project as the example here, but you can select whichever board holds the tasks you want to manage. Boards in Monday.com are where your items or tasks are organized into groups and columns, so everything you need will be right there. Once your board is open, look toward the top of your columns and click the plus sign to add a new column if you don't already have one for assignees. From the column type menu that appears, choose People. This People column is what allows you to assign responsibility for each task to a specific team member. If your board already has a People column, you can skip adding a new one and use the existing one. With the People column in place, you can quickly update who's assigned to each task. One fast approach is to use drag and drop. If you see a team member's avatar already assigned to a task and want to replace them, you can drag to move or swap assignments where supported, which is handy when you're making bulk changes or correcting an assignment. To set or change an assignee directly, click inside the People cell for the task you're working on. You may see a small avatar, a logo-style icon, or a plus sign. Clicking it opens the assignment menu. This brings up a searchable list of teammates. Start typing a name to filter the list, then click the correct person to assign them. You can also identify people by the email shown next to their name if there are users with similar names on your account. The moment you select them, the assignment saves automatically. A few tips while you work. If your workflow allows multiple assignees, you can add more than one person by clicking the People cell again and selecting additional teammates. To unassign, open the same menu and remove the person. If someone isn't appearing in the list, they may not have access to this workspace or board. Inviting them or adjusting permissions will resolve that. And when you update assignments, Monday.com can notify the assignee, helping everyone stay aligned without extra messages. That's it. Open your board, add or use the People column with the plus sign and People option, drag to adjust if needed, click the avatar or icon in the People cell, and select the right teammate from the list. You're ready to keep your tasks organized and your team accountable.